Outbound Sales Email Guide, Best Practices 2024, AnyBiz. Welcome to the ultimate guide on outbound sales emails for 2024. Let's demystify everything about outbound sales emails and learn how to ace them with AnyBiz. Outbound sales emails are vital bridges between businesses and prospects, offering opportunities to introduce, engage, and convert. Discover how AnyBiz can transform your outbound email strategy, making it more effective and efficient. An outbound sales email is a proactive approach where businesses initiate contact with potential customers to generate interest and drive action. It focuses on direct, personalized communication to address specific needs and guide recipients towards a desired outcome, such as a demo or purchase, turning leads into concrete business opportunities. Outbound sales emails offer direct access to potential leads with scalable, personalized communication. By cutting through digital noise, they foster meaningful connections, increasing conversion potential. Each email presents an opportunity to address specific needs, making propositions more compelling and result-driven. Who should use them? Sales teams, startups and small businesses, B2B companies, marketing teams, recruiters and HR professionals, tech and SaaS companies. Difference with inbound marketing. Outbound sales emails involve reaching out first, targeting potential customers to initiate immediate conversations. They're effective for quickly capturing attention and expanding your customer base. In contrast, inbound marketing emails are for engaging with prospects who have already shown interest, such as by visiting your website. These emails nurture existing connections and guide interested individuals towards making a purchase. While both approaches are essential, outbound emails excel in rapidly acquiring new leads and initiating conversations. To optimize outbound sales email campaigns across Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, it's crucial to tailor your approach to each provider's restrictions to ensure deliverability. For Gmail users, maximize reach by staying within daily sending limits and personalize emails for enhanced engagement. Keep email size under 25 MB and use Google Drive links for larger files to optimize content accessibility. For Outlook users, leverage higher sending limits for broader campaign outreach. Craft professional emails to bypass smart screen filters and increase credibility. Manage attachments wisely to stay within size limits, considering cloud storage links for larger files. For Yahoo Mail users, adhere to the 500 emails a day limit for consistent communication. Write engaging emails tailored to recipient interests to avoid spam filters. Prioritize content over attachments due to the 25 MB limit, using external links for essential documents for seamless access. Here are some quick wins and strategies for powerful outbound emails. Personalize emails with compelling subject lines and clear CTAs. Optimize for mobile accessibility. Tailor messages based on demographics and interaction history. Build trust with testimonials and case studies, and follow up with prospects. Refine strategy through A/B testing for optimal results. To streamline success, leverage CRM systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, automation platforms such as MailChimp or SendGrid, and personalization tools like Lemlist or Outreach. Services like Hunter or Neverbounce help maintain clean email lists. AnyBiz integrates all these capabilities into one AI-driven platform, simplifying outbound email campaigns. Automating outbound sales emails enhances efficiency and reach by personalizing and dispatching messages to large audiences while maintaining individualization. Segmentation tools ensure tailored messages, boosting engagement. Automation provides deep analytics to optimize campaigns, while follow-ups keep leads engaged, enhancing conversion rates. Secure your emails with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to boost deliverability and protect your domain. Warmy.io offers free tools like the SPF record generator and DMARC record generator to simplify setup and ensure accurate authentication. In conclusion, AnyBiz.io redefines outbound lead generation with its multi-channel approach, including email, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. It prioritizes building relationships through automated outreach and intelligent algorithms, fostering trust with potential leads. AnyBiz continuously evolves to stay ahead in digital communication, ensuring your business leverages the most effective strategies for connecting with customers. Before you click away, a small favor: like and subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming content. Your support keeps us going.